In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by launching Gallery and hitting on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Let's start with Albums. Click on the chosen one and hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete. To select multiple right away, use this dot at the top left corner. And to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen one. Then to delete the rest, tap on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete your photos from Pictures category, click on it, hold one of them, and use the same type of dots at the top left corners. You can exclude your photos the same way and delete them by clicking on Delete at the bottom. Then tap on Move to Trash and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!